I got kind of an interesting setup in this car. Back when it was 6 volt, I had a 6 volt battery over there and I had a 12 volt battery over here. And I've got a light switch wired up over here that you can throw, and it connects the two together. And what I used to do is use that to jump that 6 volt off, but once it cranked, it'd run fine on it. Well, I'm noticing as I drive this, I'm leaving that cut off, and that battery is dead enough. It'll run the car. It won't crank the car, but it'll run it, but it's not, doesn't have enough fire to blow the horn. And I'm kind of using that for a test to see if it would charge if I drove around a little bit, and it hasn't. But you know, because I've got this extra battery here, I can flip the switch and crank it and get back home with it and just leave the switch on if I need to while I'm driving it. So I'm not scared of driving it around a little bit. At some point I'll charge the other battery. I'll have 2 hot batteries in here, and like I say, if we want to go to the car show when Josh comes up, we should be good to go. It'll be daylight and we won't be running the headlights, and should be plenty of fire to get there and back. But I do want to get that sorted out. I do. Okay, I got the wipers fixed. Basically what I did was I took this, I had this old-fashioned resistor that I was using on the hot rod to reduce it down to 6 volt when I was running 6 volt on it. So I just put it in the line between the wipers and the wiper motor and the switch there, and that reduces that. And there's nothing else electrical on here. You know, the fuel gauge is mechanical. There's a little cable that runs down to the tank, literally, with a float in it. I swapped out the turn signal flasher, put a 12 volt on there. I've got to get a light bulb for the turn signal dash light, and that's about it. Everything's all good except the generator ain't ginning. Well, the generator's ginning, but it's not charging the battery, and I don't know what is wrong, and I'm not going to do anything else to that till I find out. Get a chance to talk to somebody that knows more about it than me. I guess my mechanical ability just let me down this time. Dang, I say, and dang again. That happens sometimes. But you don't generally stop me from getting things done and all. Okay, here's a puzzle for you YouTubers. When Steve gave me the Jeep, he gave me a box full of a bunch of stuff. One of the things he had in there was this Sears starter current gauge. And there's no connections on the back. It almost looks like it's made to be laid over one of the battery wires or something. I cannot for the life of me figure out how this would work, or how it works, or what it would do. Anybody ever seen anything like that? Know anything about it? Because I sure don't. If you do, if you can tell me how to use it, let me know. I'd just be curious about that.